You probably bought your first Bitcoin when it hasn't gained massive awareness, so friends and family frequently come to you for help on which coins to buy. Furthermore, you're typically the first in line when a new crypto project is announced. You remained consistent, and along the way, you fell in love with the booming wave of technology surrounding crypto, blockchain technology, and the use cases that come with it. You're fascinated by the whole process and started researching the concept of blockchain development and how to land blockchain developer jobs. If you enjoy crushing problems and have good analytical skills, here's a comprehensive video on what to expect working in blockchain development, skills needed for a blockchain developer, and more. In this video we will walk through: what is blockchain development? Who is a blockchain developer? Benefits of becoming a blockchain developer, career options, progressive learning, high salary, work from anywhere. What does a blockchain developer do? Blockchain software developer, skills needed for a blockchain developer, soft skills, technical skills and programming languages needed. So, what is blockchain development? Blockchain technology is a decentralized ledger and a chain of timestamped digital data that are connected via computer nodes. It essentially combines peer-to-peer networks offering transparency, minimized risk, and efficient data confirmation. Blockchain development involves implementing technical solutions for blockchain platforms to build decentralized applications. It also involves using acquired skills to create innovative blockchain-based solutions, including smart contracts, a set of automated programs stored on the blockchain. And who is a blockchain developer? A blockchain developer builds blockchain platforms. Blockchain developers build and scale blockchain protocols, design the framework of blockchain networks, design smart contracts, and build patterns to communicate the end goal and point out future network upgrades. A professional blockchain developer knows how to use relevant programming languages and in-depth understanding of blockchain to develop products ranging from play-to-earn games and NFTs to DEXs. While some blockchain developers may focus on designing the architecture of a blockchain system, others implement the core web framework created by the developer to build decentralized. This is why there are two main categories of blockchain developers: core blockchain developers and blockchain software developers. Ultimately, the core blockchain developer builds the foundation and security upon which blockchain software developers work on to create innovative Web3 projects. Unlike the conventional software developer, Web3 or blockchain developers use tools such as Solidity, Rust, and other blockchain programming languages to build smart contracts. The massive demand for blockchain experts has resulted in an abundance of blockchain development jobs. According to the employment website Indeed, the total number of crypto and blockchain jobs available on the site increased by 118% in July 2021, compared to September 2020. This massive increase in demand has also expanded to several job roles, with about 30% of all the crypto and blockchain listings related to software development. Furthermore, a report suggested that the total market cap of cryptocurrency will grow to $67.4 billion by 2026. Besides the growth leading to high demand, here are a few more good reasons to consider becoming a software developer. The following are some of the benefits of becoming a blockchain developer. Career options. Being a blockchain software developer opens you to several career options. Depending on what works for you, you can decide to work as a freelancer or work within projects or platforms such as Ethereum. Most of these jobs don't require going to the office every day, and you have the option to choose a work environment that fits your requirements. Likewise, you can work in different organizations, including non-blockchain companies, and there's always room for skill improvement. Progressive learning. Perhaps one of the interesting benefits of being a blockchain developer is progressive education. Since the Web3 space is still unfolding, there are always new tools and better ways to improve your skills. In addition, after starting as an entry-level developer, blockchain developers can be promoted into senior positions. High salary. The rule of thumb says the bigger or harder the problem you solve, the more you earn. Therefore, blockchain development comes with a lot of input, and the salary is a motivating factor in why people become blockchain developers. A blockchain developer can earn an average annual salary of $120,000. This salary can increase if you create any innovation or develop your own software. Work from anywhere. Convenience is another benefit you get as a blockchain developer. In a recent study, 44% share of crypto software development job openings posted on Indeed in mid-2021 were remote. As a developer, you are not only restricted to working from home. You can travel or go to nearby offices and work. As long as there's a computer and a stable internet connection to work with, you are good. Typically, a blockchain developer understands the in-depth architecture of a blockchain project. There are several projects with different consensus algorithms and programming tools. Beyond being an expert in Bitcoin and other investment skills, a blockchain developer knows the tools, including Solidity for Ethereum smart contracts and others specific to certain blockchain networks. Blockchain developers write code to develop online frameworks, environments, and applications. As a result, mastery of one or more programming languages is required for this career path. Here are some tasks performed by core blockchain developers: build blockchain protocols with languages suited for blockchain design like Rust, Go, or Java, build consensus protocols and security patterns for the network, create the network framework and perform overall supervision, including quality assurance on dApps. Successful core blockchain engineers know the right programming languages for each blockchain platform and structure. The work of a blockchain software developer is clearly different from a core developer. Much more like a normal software developer, these people build on the design architecture already built by core developers to create decentralized apps, smart contracts, and much more. They have nothing to do with designing frameworks. In this role, some of the tasks might include like smart contracts development, develop interactive UI designs for dApps, develop a backend specific to blockchain and supervision of the dApps. It's important to note that once a blockchain mainnet is live, the job of a developer is still not done. At this point, they will continue to supervise and monitor for bugs and issues that are usually discovered by users. If bugs are found, they work to tackle the issue and then release an improved update. Similar to tech job roles, blockchain development requires both soft and technical skills to work efficiently and create innovative projects. While the hard skills may seem totally quite different, here are some of the soft skills required by blockchain developers. Soft skills are problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, analytic skills, open-mindedness and adaptability, patience, confidence and teamwork and collaboration. And here are some of the more technical skills you may need. Smart contract development. Developing self-executing contracts that automate the agreement between buyer and seller with a written set of codes has become a major skill for blockchain developers. Thanks to the tremendous growth of Ethereum, other blockchains now integrate smart contract functionality into their framework. A successful smart contract developer knows one or two of these languages: Solidity, Rust, Go, Viper, Chaincode and more. Mathematics and data structures. Analyzing data entails a good understanding of how data structures work. Blockchain data structure involves backlink storage of blocks of transactions, usually stored as a file or database. Each block might be a hash created using the SHA-256 cryptographic hash algorithm. A blockchain developer needs solid knowledge about all these and must know how to play around with different blockchain data structures, including index, hash, and Merkle tree. Blockchain architecture. Unlike the usual architecture of the normal World Wide Web that utilizes a client-server network, blockchain uses a distributed network where each participant within the network maintains and validates new updates. Understanding the core blockchain components, such as nodes, transactions, blocks, a data structure used for keeping a set of transactions, consensus protocol, and many more is essential to be a skilled blockchain developer. Web development. Web development is a specialized area of blockchain development that involves understanding all other relevant processes. This involves front-end and back-end development, where you get to build interactive graphical user interfaces for dApps, APIs, and lots more. Some of the tools to get familiar with include HTML, XML, Flash, CSS and more. Programming languages needed. A blockchain developer must be well versed in the use of one or more of these languages. Overall, the average blockchain developer knows to a large extent the widely used tools including C, C++, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, Node.js, Angular, TypeScript, PHP, Ionic, React Native, Solidity, Golang, Linux, Windows, Git, web servers, cryptography, hashing, peer-to-peer networking, database, and more. Today, virtually every company is aware of the potential of blockchain technology. As a result, both individuals and mainstream companies are exploring this space to reinvent their technology and business models to drive innovations. This is great news for blockchain developers, as the demand for professionals with these technical skill sets and the paychecks they can command constantly grows. To better understand the hiring process, let's explore the significant employers in the Web3 and blockchain space. Mainstream companies. These are global companies such as consulting and IT, banks, insurance, law firms, as well as database management firms exploring the world of blockchain. Some of these companies include Oracle, Microsoft, Apple, Google, IBM, Amazon, and many more. Blockchain startups. Crypto startup companies are blockchain-based firms offering easy access to the crypto world. They often allow the exchange of digital assets. Since blockchain has expanded to many industries, these startups may specialize in financial technology, real estate, media, metaverse, NFT, DeFi, and other similar concepts within the digital economy. Some of these startups include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and more. Tech giants. Interest and adoption by major tech companies are increasing daily, with a commitment to building their own blockchain networks or using other blockchain-based solutions. Examples of tech firms exploring this space include Apple, Samsung, Huawei, PayPal, and so. Governments. Several countries are already embracing some use cases of blockchain technology. The political and economic concept of issuing central bank digital currencies (CBDC) has created many job opportunities for blockchain developers. While the Bank of England officially announced that it would examine the potential benefits of digital currency, other countries like France are experimenting with digital currencies. Becoming a blockchain developer requires a lot of dedication and commitment. It might get really challenging if you don't have the creativity to implement innovative concepts in code. However, you are good once you have mastered the required programming languages and the framework needed for blockchain development. Upon gaining proficiency in blockchain development, you can specialize in any of the many fields in the space. For example, you may decide to become a smart contract developer, core blockchain developer, or focus on DeFi.